Hi. Get ready with me. Well, I'm already ready actually. Come with me instead as we go to find this Fallout Dave's Hot Chicken collaboration and we give it a food try because I've never had Dave's Hot Chicken before in my life. Um, but I guess this is a start to try it for the first time. I am already dressed and I am now going to go ahead and get out and go to the most local Dave's Hot Chicken in my area and went on ahead and shaved up. I freshened up a little bit because I've got to perform for you guys. um but yeah, also I'm filming it sideways because I guess this is going on YouTube, maybe. There's my desk. Anyways, let's go. I'll just carry like this. It's very good that I didn't eat today because I am extremely hungry and I just know I'm going to be messing up that Dave's Hot Chicken. As you can see, we've got our good old vault suit with us. I could have worn the full thing. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna wear jeans and like these construction boots. They're like like the more high end boots, whatever. Because those kind of fit in with like the Vault-Techer. That's what I wore for like one of my first cosplays as a vault suit. I'll probably honestly wear that to like a con sometime. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing the suit maybe. But if not, then I'll just have the shirt on. It really just depends on like how hot it is. If I'm sitting inside, outside, all that. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go there now. I really should investigate one of those like little window mounts, that go up on the car. I actually just kind of have the tripod sitting like in the passenger seat, like the passenger seat foot area, the shotgun foot area, whatever. It's like nice and spread out, so it's not moving as much, but it probably will. I did this actually on my way to my first ever Renaissance Festival. I know that's a video that probably didn't get a lot of traction. I didn't really put a lot into it, I'm not gonna lie to you. I might try to put more into this. I mean, you guys are gonna get me see like do a food review essentially, which is pretty cool. This is a vlog essentially, isn't it? Yeah, it's a vlog. But yeah, I really should get one of those because I also do like to kind of yap on TikTok whenever I'm like on a break at like work or something. So I'll do that. So it would be nice if I kind of just had it so I could just like, be open like that instead of holding a phone in my hand and then just like talking to it. Also, I feel like the further away the phone looks, the better I look. So you guys aren't like up my nostrils or whatever. You guys know I live in Florida, man. It's just crazy out here. It is very busy, the traffic at least. All right, we arrived. The camera kind of fell over. The camera, it's my phone. I'm literally doing all this on my phone, by the way. Boom, there's good old Dave's Hot Chicken. Beautiful. They kind of have like their windows like blocked in. I can't really like see anything in there. Like I said, I've been to a Dave's Hot Chicken before, so we're gonna see how this goes. They do have like outside seating, so I'm probably gonna sit outside. If not, then I'll be sitting in here, but we'll see. Yeah, on second thought, I'm actually not gonna bring the vault suit because if that shit is generally like as hot as people say it is, I want to be able to breathe. You feel me? Like that would really suck if I like can't. It's like burning my throat alive or something like that. And bro, they open 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. We don't see real quick. It look nice in here. Dang, it look nice in here. Hello, how you doing today? Can I do the Fallout chicken box? For here. Ooh, which one do you think is better? Both of them. I'll be honest, this is my first time trying Dave's Hot Chicken, so like, Okay. Okay, I'll do the sliders. The slider. And then with the slider you have 7 different spice levels. I'll do medium. Yeah, medium. Yes, please. Do you want that regular? I'll do a large just in case. Yeah. I think that's it. Well, it's ordered. Now I'm just gonna wait. End up getting like Sprite, something like Hi-C and Sprite mix because I kind of like going for both. I was gonna get tea, but I was like, I want something that's like gonna really like mess with my stomach, so why not? So, I got it. God dang, that looks beautiful. Oh man, that's amazing. Here's the back side as well. That's my receipt. You guys can't see my receipt, that's cheating. And then of course I have my drink, which also has my receipt, so I'm cheating myself by showing you my receipt. The person up front was kind enough to give me extra of the Dave's hot sauce. Pretty cool. And separately, it's a stim pack. It's a stim pack. I've actually seen people use this thing, and apparently it's like a sauce pumper. So you like inject your sauce, you obviously pull it out to suction in the sauce, and then you push it into whatever it is you're eating. So yeah, probably should have brought my tripod, but honestly I figured I'd be good without it. I didn't really need it. So it's called the Survivor Kit. I actually got the slider one, because that's what they recommended, so I was like, I'll just do the slider. First open, you ready? Damn. Good lord. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I wasn't expecting all that. I'm not gonna lie. This is like $15, I think. Dang, dude. Holy crap. Get a zoom in. Hold on. Yeah, zoom in for the textures. So I got the slider. So it's a chicken sandwich. It has fries. It has like obviously the Dave's sauce, I guess, and then pickles. So just in case you want them in like the food, you can get on the side. That's pretty nice. I'm trying to think about how I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna hold you. This is a lot. Like these tenders are thick, dude. I think honestly just one is enough for the sandwich. I might just put the second one on the side because it is a lot. They gave me ranch on the side, which is really nice. Just like the sauce, okay. Probably should have bitten into it before licking the sauce, but tastes good. Tastes good actually. Not taste so much spicy yet, but that's because I just like licked a little bit. We're gonna try it first off without anything added on, just like how it comes. It has like, what is this stuff called? It's like you know, like coleslaw. Like it's like the red onions and the salad piece. It's cool. So boom, I took one of the tenders off because it was a huge amount of tender. I just put it to the side. Probably gonna just eat it by itself, but first bite. Okay. It's a pretty good tender, I'm not gonna lie to you. That was a really good first bite. I got pretty much everything in there besides the pickle. But the tender is like not too crispy. It's probably because of the sauce, it kind of like lessens the crisp. That's a good thing. You know, if it's too crispy, eventually it kind of like, for me at least, like if the tender's too crispy, it ends up kind of like hurting my teeth and like my inside of my mouth, you know, like scratching it. This is crispy enough that it's not crispy to the point that it just feels soft. It tastes really good. I actually like it a lot. The texture actually is really nice for me. I want to take it like a second bite actually. I'll probably go like right here. That's really good. That's really good. I do like that a lot actually. Kind of about how I can compare that, but that is like a really good tender. And like also I like that the slaw is still like kind of fresh. It is fresh. It's not like super soft or anything. Like there's like crunch to like the lettuce and the vegetables in there as well. The pickle also fresh. It's like a really big pickle too. Like how big these pickles are. I'm saying some you'd see at Publix. Publix would be like half that, I feel like. Things thick too. Trying the fries. Okay. Fries are crispy. I love me a nice crisp fry. I don't like soft fries like McDonald's, where it's just kind of like noodly almost. I don't like those. It's pretty good. It's not really salty. This is like I'm eating like straight bread or like a potato chip. You know, like potato chips aren't like extremely salty until you have like a whole bunch of them. Then you start tasting the salt. I feel like this is how I would feel about this. But seeing as how the chicken is like the main thing that you're gonna be getting, I do understand why the like fries have to be like kind of like an addition to it. You know, most of the flavor is gonna be in the chicken. The fries do have like some texture to them though. You know, you see like they have like seasoning to them, so they're not seasonless. They do actually have like a flavor to them, but they're pretty good. Now then, what you've all been waiting for. Oh, shit. Sorry. The good old Stimpak. Hold on, we got more plastic to get rid of here. I'm outside, so I don't want to like just throw it around. I mean, I wouldn't do that inside either. That's still littering. I'm just gonna put it like between my legs until I'm like done eating. Really cool. They have like a little monitor thing there. I'm actually not sure what this is for. Now that I think about it, what is this calculating? I don't know. Anyways, you can see it's like kind of like eroded, which is cool. It has like a nice like erosion design. They have like the little levels for the injections, obviously. Like, you know, that's pretty cool. And then I believe you pull it. Yup. I pulled it all the way out, but yeah, if you if you pull it, it'll suck in whatever it is you're sucking in. So I've got some ranch sauce here. Can I just like pluck this bitch? You know, I don't want to actually break this. I'm not gonna lie, this is a really cool prop that I'll probably keep on me and take it to like a con or something, so I don't have to like make my own. Okay. I don't know if my hands are too greasy or I just don't have good grip strength, but it's kind of hard to open up this ranch. Okay, we're not gonna worry about the ranch. Instead, we got more Dave sauce on the side. So, I'll pluck this bad boy open. Maybe it has like a better look of it actually, so you guys can see it. There we go. I'm gonna put it in, and then I'm gonna pull it. Oh, wait, hold on, from this way. Not sure when to stop. I'm able to like see like the top of this thing. I'll stop. Okay. There it is. We're gonna take our amazing chicken sandwich. Oh shit. Oh gosh. That's fine. And then you guys are gonna see me just ooze this thing right on it. Let's see. I feel like such a kid right now. I feel like I just got like a Happy Meal from McDonald's and I'm just playing with it again like how I usually used to as a child. That was pretty cool though. I do wish like this part of the Stimpak was like down here. At least that this was like the part, so that way you can kind of like push this in and then hold on to this. So you can do it like that. But instead you kind of have to do it with like two hands. I'm not gonna nitpick a prop for a show based off a video game that is being crossed with a fast food place. I'm not. It's just a little cool little promotion. Oh, there we go. A little too much, I think, but we got it. I'm gonna do it again. I wish you guys could see it, but I can't hold my hands up like that. Pause. It's actually really good. I actually kind of like that sauce. Speaking of the Fallout show, as of like the recording right now, I think it's like the 7th of January. Yeah. The new episode, it's like episode 4 has already came out. I haven't watched it yet. I'm gonna watch it when I get home probably. But I literally just finished editing and posting episode 3's reaction. Yeah, I'm doing reactions to the Fallout show. I've done reactions to the first season. And I think like after that I started playing like Fallout New Vegas. Maybe I played Fallout New Vegas first and then I got into that one. I don't know. I played Fallout New Vegas, it was like the most recent one I played, like for the first time. That game was awesome. Good pickle. Yeah, that game was awesome though. I really do understand why like a lot of like fans are like genuine diehards about it, and seeing how Amazon is like adapting the world of New Vegas, at least the setting of New Vegas, into this show. It's really impressive because they honestly did a really good job. They're like reusing a lot of like the places from the games and bringing it into real life. There's mentions of certain like things that happen in the games that they put into this, which is really nice. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the show. I'm gonna be sad when it ends again for the second season, but I will definitely be looking forward to the third season, I guess. Mm. That's some good shit. That's some good stuff. That's good stuff. Now, I think this is only the medium, so it's not super spicy to me. I can handle spices pretty well, but sometimes what I find, and this is one of the reasons why I was kind of like scared to try this place out, is that some places, when they really want you to feel spice, they'll put the spice levels over like the flavor levels. And I'm not someone who's a fan of that. Growing up, I'm like a Jamaican, okay? I'm a Jamaican. And one of our most iconic sauces that we all love is Scotch Bonnet. Scotch Bonnet is an amazingly beautiful pepper. And it's pretty hot, I'm not gonna lie. It's very hot. But when I get my bottles of Scotch Bonnet, although it is like so hot it burns my tongue, there's a lot of flavor in it. I'm gonna try to pump in the ranch. There's a lot of flavor in it. So yes, like I'll be like, obviously like burning my mouth, but I'll be enjoying the way it kind of seasons my food, like whether it be like chicken, eggs, just regular rice and beans, whatever it may be. It's really good. So I'm glad that these guys' spice doesn't overcome their flavor. Like it still is a good food. Ready? Hey yo. Okay, I am having too much fun. I'm just gonna sauce up this entire sandwich. It's gonna be nothing but sauce. But yeah, genuinely, this is a really good tasting sandwich. I really do like this chicken sandwich. It is really good. I'm glad I took their advice and went with the slider. I do love bread as well, and I think it definitely adds to the flavor. At least it keeps it from being too hot. But yeah, this isn't super hot. Would I come back? Honestly, probably yeah. I would. I would. I was genuinely kind of a hater of these hot chicken because I thought it was gonna be one of those places that was just like for the meme of just being spicy and hot, but no, it's really good food. I really do like it. It's only like $15-$16 by the way, so yeah, it was pretty worth it. I don't know. Do you guys want to see me finish the food? I don't really know what people do after their food reviews. Do they give like stars? Maybe like a 3.5 out of 5. Yeah, 3.5 out of 5, I'd say. Um, Everything tastes good. I don't want to give it too high of a rating so you guys feel like I'm like being paid or something. I'm not being like paid to sponsor this place or anything like that. I wish I was though. I'd love me a good sponsor. But yeah, this is a really good sandwich. I really do like it. I would honestly come back to try some more of the stuff off the menu. Um, I don't normally get out, but honestly, we can make this a thing. We can make this a thing. If you guys want to see me like do food reviews of places around where I'm at here in Florida, I could definitely do it. But overall, this is a really good experience. I had a lot of fun, honestly, just unpacking my stuff and seeing the box on its own. But yeah, go watch Fallout. Go play Fallout. Go dress up in Fallout. Bye.